Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install the Donut SMP voice package and confirm the server supports the feature. Once done, enable microphone permissions in your operating system and select your preferred input so audio routes correctly. Then join the server lobby and locate the voice shortcut. Press it to test. You do this now so you avoid audio dropouts later, and to confirm the server-client handshake completes before any group activity begins. Next, configure the voice settings to suit how you play. Adjust input sensitivity so your voice triggers reliably without constant clipping, and set output volume so teammates are clear. Once done, choose push-to-talk versus open mic depending on your environment because open mic picks up ambient noise. Then set channel scope, proximity for local chat, squad for teammates, or global for announcements, and test with another player. Doing this prevents miscommunication. Finally, use the system intentionally. Mute when not speaking and rely on push-to-talk to keep chatter low. This preserves immersion and reduces bandwidth. When you finish, gracefully disconnect from voice to free server slots. If issues arise, first relog and retest. That often restores one-way audio. If problems persist, check firewall rules, confirm the server voice port is open, update USB mic drivers, and verify you aren't exceeding the server voice slot limit. Doing these steps fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.